You are going to love the 2019 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic sunroof, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.